Hey guys, JD here with the 1998 Kawasaki STX 1100, and today I'll be doing another sea trial. I think I've got everything sorted out, so I am expecting that she will run really good. So you guys know I've been doing quite a bit of work to this ski. I replaced, these are CDK2 carbs now. I got rid of the CDCV carbs. So the CDCV carbs are constant velocity, non-tunable carburetors that Kawasaki started putting on these skis for the 1998 model year. Mainly that was to comply with EPA regulations, from my understanding. Now these use this very expensive vacuum diaphragm. These parts from Kawasaki are almost $100 a piece, and despite my best attempts to rebuild these carbs, those diaphragms really did need to be replaced, and I wasn't about to drop $300 on these carbs, which if you ask any guys that know about the STX skis, they'll tell you that the CDCV carbs were never really a strong point of these skis. So I went ahead, jumped on eBay, and bought myself a set of carbs from a 1997 STX 1100, and those are the Kaihin CDK2 carbs as pictured here. Now, when I bought these carbs, I also bought complete rebuild kits and rebuilt all of the carbs. I also set the pop-off pressure using a pop-off pressure tester. I did actually film, it's about a 20-minute video showing you how to rebuild these carbs and properly set the pop-off pressure. I don't know if there's anybody really alive anymore who would even care about this. So maybe I'll post another video of that. Just wanted to give you a look at it for this. And so I'll show you what else I did to get this ski running. All right, so we had a few issues with the ski that basically made themselves known, and one of them was that these velocity stacks here were missing. And without these in the ski, it actually runs a little bit lean. So I ordered those are in place. The cooling system's been rebuilt, OEM proper hoses, new filter. The pickup for the tank, we couldn't get a new one because it's obsolete, but we got a used one that was in functioning order. And so basically where we're at now is the ski starts and idles fine, but when you try to accelerate, it just kind of seems like it's in a limp mode, but there is no limp mode displayed on the display. So basically I've done some research on this, and I feel like the problem is within the e-box here with either the igniter or with something in the wire harness there. I went through and tested everything. The igniter, all the coils, the stator, the voltage regulator, all the sensors, everything tested out fine. So I was like, what is wrong with this thing? Why won't it run right? Well, you guys will never believe what the actual problem was, and I'll get to that in a moment. And it turns out that the problem was this exhaust hose here. You could see it's completely collapsed. The liner has kind of detached from the rest of the hose, and it was just basically, it looked like that up in there. So this hose was completely shot. So here's a brand new OEM hose that I just received. If you're curious, here is the part number information. That's 921903938. That's your exhaust crossover hose from the water box to the rear exit exhaust. So I'll be installing this and then taking it out on the water to see if it's running the way it's supposed to now. All right, so we've tested out the STX 1100 a couple times and had various problems. So it's starting to rain. So today, I just, before it starts pouring here, you see I'm not even in my gear because it's about to start pouring. I just want to see if this thing is gonna not explode. Well, the ski runs great. I gotta fix the speedometer and a couple small things, but stay tuned for more videos of the 1998 STX 1100. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more Kawasaki content, only on JD's Waterworld.